Good morning. Right now I am at Apsara Kund. This place is approximately 23 kilometers from Murdeshwar, and basically initially it was known as Apsara Tirtha, where it is believed that Apsaras from heaven they used to come and take a bath in that small waterfall, and then there is a temple there. They used to go and worship there. There is a beautiful grassland, and I'm traveling with an amazing person. His name is like Mr. Lingaraj. If you ever come to Murdeshwar, please, I will share his contact details. Hire him. I'm telling you, he will guide you. He will take you places. As a human being, he's an amazing person. There's a cave behind this waterfall. You can come inside. People usually don't come, they stick to the pool only. But if you wish, you can come inside the cave. It is a beautiful place. So right now I'm at Apsara Kund. It is also known as Apsara Tirtha. So behind me you can see the waterfall and there is a pool. But people where I'm just on the opposite side and behind the waterfall. So one of the places you can visit when you come to Murdeshwar. Right now I am at Gyaneshwara Shiva temple. So this temple lies approximately 23 kilometers from main city Murdeshwar, and this is one of the 5 important temples of Karnataka, or you can also say southern India, which having like equivalence towards like Panch Kedar we have in northern India. So this is the third temple which I'm visiting out of this 5. First I went to Mahabaleshwara temple in Gokarna, and then second temple was Murdeshwar, and third one is Gyaneshwar, and 2 other lies, one is in Komta and one is near Karwar. So this temple has different significance, and what I found here that I have never seen a posture or a statue of Nandi like in any other temple, because I found that the Nandi was not looking straight to Shiva, but it was looking away from Shiva. And then I asked from Mr. Lingarajam, my friend, like who brought me here. He said because this is the fierce form of Shiva, so even Nandi is also scared to look directly into his eyes. I'm at a mangrove park. Basically, it's a mangrove forest, and a wooden bridge has been created inside the mangrove forest so that people can take a walk. And basically, as we all know, mangrove are like considered in the swamps. Basically, there are two kinds of like swamps. One is like freshwater swamps and the saltwater swamps. Saltwater swamps are the mangrove swamps, and the freshwater swamps are the palm swamps. So you can come around here, take a stroll. You like the place. You can also go for the boating. So it will like nice half an hour walk inside the forest.
मुरुडेश्वर में
हाँ मुरुडेश्वर आया था
तो आपने प्रेयर रखा किया था उसके लिए
योगी आदित्यनाथ
तो आपने प्रेयर किया था उसके लिए मोदी के लिए अच्छा है नहीं अच्छा है जीत गया बढ़िया बढ़िया प्राइम मिनिस्टर है
ये प्रधानमंत्री ये भगवान है सर हिंदू के लिए भगवान है
ना काम तो बहुत किया
हाँ वही सर बहुत किया
देख
आप जब किधर रहता सर आप
मैं उधर ही था
उधर ही था अरे बाप रे
नहीं प्राइम मिनिस्टर अच्छा है मैं भी बहुत खुश हूँ
बहुत कुछ वही सर वही चाहिए
अच्छा है रोड वोड सब बढ़िया बनाया सब कुछ किया है
अच्छा है अभी एक जैकेट आ गया आपको कम तो दिखा रहा था वो आपको कोल्ड में हिमा में रहता ना
हाँ
कुछ भी नहीं होगा सर ऐसा एक आपको जैकेट आ रहा है पूरा आपका यूनिफॉर्म में वही आ रहा है हाँ वो रशिया का क्या जापान का
हाँ रशिया पुतिन आ रहा है
So you can see this mountain name is Bailurkunda and it is believed that it is a story between a fight of ocean and this mountain. It is also believed that there is a mysterious river there and there is a temple but people don't usually go there because it is highly infested with tigers. That's many stories which old people recite.
So finally, I'm at my room after spending a whole day with Mr. Lingraj, and that what I can tell you, you cannot find everything over internet or in books. For that, you need to come out by yourself and travel around, meet people, and see and learn. The reality of all these temples, it's something very much close to for the North Indians. It's like Panch Kedar. Similarly, in south and the west coast of Karnataka, there are total 5 temples which you can relate to the Panch Kedars, and it is related to the story of Ravan carrying the Shivlinga from India to Lanka, and then the gods didn't wanted it, so they created a situation where he could not take it, and in anger, when he tried to break the Shivlinga, few of its pieces scattered in like 5 places. There are 2 more which I could not do this time. Like one is Daneshwar, another is Sajeshwar. Like one is located in Kumta, another is located in Karwar. So probably the next time I'll come and visit this place. And what I want to tell you, traveling is fine, moving around is fine, but many people questions me like we think that the world is full of bad people, but I'm telling you, world is not full of bad people. Actually, it's full of good people. Good people percentage is more than rather than the bad ones or whatever you call it. And moreover, I feel that way you are and way you how you behave and how you are, similarly the nature reciprocates with you. You go out, world is not a bad place, world is a beautiful place if you are beautiful, or if you resonate positive things, you will receive positive things and will meet wonderful people, and it's been a great trip. So that's all for. So wish you a very happy life and keep traveling, keep exploring, and please share, comment, subscribe if you like my channel. And comment is more important because that's why how can grow. Like you can suggest me, I'm not any professional like video maker. I'm just a traveler, but I'm trying to make some videos so that as a memory for me, as well as some of the people I came across who suggested me that like, through my eyes they can also travel. So that's the thought of it. So please suggest me and please guide me so that I can make a better videos. So anyways, have a beautiful night. And today is Amavasya, moon day, but it's a very auspicious day. So wish you all a very good time. So keep traveling, keep exploring, be safe. Thank you.